So this exists. This is probably the coolest monopod I have seen. It comes in from iFootage, and it also pairs perfectly with the Pocket 3, as well as just about any other camera. And there's a lot of really cool features about this, so let's just get right to it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gadgets and gear that come my way. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and there's new videos coming out all the time. Also, I'll put the links to everything down in the description. Now, I met the iFootage guys at the NAB trade show in Vegas. They were super cool, and they showed me a lot of cool features about this, but they didn't give this to me to make this video. I actually find a lot of value in this, and I wanted to share this with you in case you're looking for something like this. And let's go ahead and start at the top. If you notice at the top, they actually have a 3/8 thread. So perfect for ball head or fluid head mounts that fit that 3/8, but maybe you have something like the Pocket 3 with a 1/4 thread mount. Well, check this out. This is actually brilliant. They have both of them on the same head. So if you put the 1/4 thread mount on, it will actually push the outer ring down and fits those 1/4 thread mounts. That's really cool. The other thing is they have a detachable head to this, so you can pop the top off there. That way, if you need to move the camera somewhere else, or maybe you have a couple of these and you want to change cameras out, and then when you push it down, it snaps into place and it's locked. So easy. Now, this part right here is what catches everyone's eye. This is like a hydraulic system where you push this part in and it comes undone. So you can easily set it at any level you want, and it's that quick. It makes it great if you're just like at a certain spot talking to it, and then maybe you're going to a desk. You can just lower it down like that. It's so quick and easy and efficient, and it's actually really fun to play with. So that's about as high as it gets with the Pocket 3. I'm obviously 7 foot tall. It sits up taller than me. I'm not 7 foot. All right, now moving down to the bottom here, this is a lot going on down here too. There's another quick release plate, so you can actually take the tripod off, fold it down, pop that off. That way, if you needed a super low shot, you can just pop this on the tripod part right there. And these legs are really solid, making them stand up nice and tall without wobbling. But also they're adjustable. You just push this in right here and you can actually angle the legs down. So if you want a little bit of height, maybe you're on an uneven surface and you need to like angle the legs a certain way. Now this little red bottom part here, you can unscrew that, and then you can screw it on the monopod itself, just giving you a rubber tip so that you can actually use this as a walking stick if you didn't want to use the tripod at all and just have that. There's a little dial here for tension, and so you can actually spin this thing. So if it's sitting there and you want to pan it around to follow something, it feels like you're unscrewing it from the base, but you're not. It's just panning it, and then you can use that dial to add tension. You know, just want to make it nice and smooth, or you can loosen it up to pan faster. And one more thing to note is there's a buckle down here that you can step on, and that way if you need to lean into something, you can actually press down on the buckle. It kind of unlocks it, and you can lean this as you need to. If like you need to get the shot that's over there and you need to lean it down but still have a little bit of stability, you can do that, and then you just press down the buckle and it locks back in place right in the center. So there it is. It's very innovative and just something I've been using a lot of, and iFootage has been making some really cool and innovative products for camera accessories. So make sure you check out the link in the description and also see some of the other products that they have. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see some other cool accessories and camera gear, I'll put some links on the screen and check one of those out, or just let it autoplay. Roll the dice. You never know what it's gonna be. Could be anything. Here we go. Let's find out.